I move slower now with intention. Every step is my reflection. There's a standard that I hold in the details I control.
Nothing rushed, nothing forced. Every action has a source. There's a calmness in my way.
I refine it every day.
I don't speak unless it's clear.
Every word is placed with care.
There's a level I maintain.
Precision running through my frame. I don't chase and I don't prove. I let the quality speak through.
Every move aligned and clean,
built on who I've chosen to be. We don't lower what we know. We expand and let it show. Excellence is my nature. It's the way that I live. Every moment, every detail is the standard I give.
I don't need to be loud. I don't need to impress.
There is power in precision. There is beauty in less. I can feel it in the flow, in the way I choose to show. Not from pressure, not from speed, just from knowing what I lead.
There's a rhythm in control.
There's a silence in the road,
where the highest level is.